Ah, boy, am I ever humbled by sandbag training. What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, I wanted to explore sandbag training because there's something about that sandbag that's just awesome to play around with. I wanted to explore today how I could structure a workout around only doing sandbag training. So let's go briefly over what I have for equipment, and then we start going at it in what the workout actually comprises of. So I only have three types of sandbags. I have the Rogue Jerry can, which I recently acquired, which is a very cool one. It can go up to 50 kilograms, but I only filled it up to 38 kilograms, which I find a perfect weight to just play around with. And I also like it because it has the handles, and because it's not completely full, it's even more dead weight. Like the sand moves throughout the bag, and that's just so awesome. Now, I also have this Cerebrus 50 kilogram bag. Normally it's 45. I filled it up all the way up to 50 kilograms. So it's very packed, it's very dense, and that gives it less of a malleability if you pick it up. It's less dead weight. It's just still a clump, but it's less of a dead weight, if you know what I mean. And then we have the 75 kilogram one. Whew, man, I've been playing around with the 50 kilogram one and then jumping 25 kilograms all the way up to that one. Oh boy, that was really humbling. Now, that being said, what was the workout like? Well, first I started to do some conventional exercises with the sandbags. So I did deadlifts, which were pretty cool. You have to have some sort of sumo style hybrid kind of stance. And then when you do the hip hinge and you start to go up, what you feel is that, the bag is going to hit your hips. So you're going to stop more before you're locked out. But the benefit is that you go from all the way on the floor and you pick things up, which you don't have with a barbell. Then we have squats. For squats, I also feel like that the range of motion is different because at one point you have to have such a wide stance that your elbows hit your legs or the sandbag hits your legs. But although it felt like I'm not doing a lot of range of motion, I did feel it in my quads. I did feel the burn in my quads. So very nice exercise as well. Then I went over to rows. Rows definitely have a lot less range of motion because you're hitting the weight with your chest, and the more weight you're going to carry, the sooner it will hit your chest. Also, I had a tendency to just like drop the weight after every rep, which you can see in the first clip. And then in the second clip, I tried to like stop when I was locked out, then go to the floor, then pick it back up, and then go back up. So it was a little bit of finicking, playing around type of deal, but very cool. Then I tried to experiment with some lunge and twist, something that I've seen somewhere on the internet. Very difficult. I need a lot more coordination in my legs to really just twist the weight from side to side. But hey, good to experiment with, good to get better with also. So not too shabby on that part. So we have had some conventional lifts, and those are great, but it's difficult because you only have three types of weights, so you only have to increase the reps or the sets. Let's go on to some sandbag specific training. Well, the lunge and twist was already some sort of a sandbag specific exercise. And then shoulder throws, obviously you pick a bag up from the floor, you put it all over your shoulder. That's a complete full body exercise which gasses you out in no time. So I did it with the Rogue Jerry can, very easy. Then the red one, the 50 kilogram one, super awesome. It's humbling, but it just gets the job done. And then the 75 kilogram one, oh my Lord. It barely got over my shoulder, but then you just have to play around with it and move your body around the bag just to get the movement done. And I think that is part of sandbag training, just trying to make the puzzle fit for your body with that weight. And once you get proficient at it, you're going to get stronger and stronger, and all of a sudden the the bigger bag will move the same as the lesser bag, and that's what I think, that's what I hope. Then I wanted to do like a burner exercise in the end, so I did sandbag stacks. That's basically you stack all the sandbags from low weight to high weight on one side, you run, you go back, you pick all the sandbags up and you put them on the other side. Just basically pick stuff up, put them down somewhere else. And I did two times 2 minutes, try to do as many reps as possible. One rep is moving a stack from one side to the other, and then that's one set, that's one rep. And this one was really humbling. So you pick up the 38 kilogram, no problem. You pick up the 50 kilogram, it's okay because it's never all the way on the floor, so it's very cool. And then you pick up the big boy, and oh boy, that was struggle fest for sure. A very cool exercise. If you have some sandbags, really try them out because I think it's super cool. So yeah, this is really something that I want to experiment with. I want to get better at. Just maybe throw in a couple of exercises and complement with the barbell and complement with the kettlebell, dumbbells, everything. I will still want to use my home gym. But yes, these sandbags, I really need to get better at these sandbags. And I also think that is going to be great for wrestling type of sports and jiu-jitsu. So just having the capacity of throwing or of moving people is always nice. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope maybe, let me know in the comments down below if you are going to try sandbag training, and if you're already doing sandbag training, let me know some exercises that you really like. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!